For 7 years, Ivan Milat turned Australia's Belanglo State Forest into his personal killing ground. Young backpackers from around the world would hitchhike through the remote wilderness. They trusted the friendly local who offered them rides. They had no idea he was leading them to their deaths. Milat knew every trail, every hidden spot in those woods. He'd hunt his victims with military precision, torture them, then bury their bodies where no one would find them. The bodies started turning up. In 1992, 7 young travellers, all shot with the same weapons. Police formed a task force. They used psychological profiling to narrow down suspects. The killer had to be local, someone who knew the forest intimately. The breakthrough came from witnesses who remembered seeing Milat with some of the victims. When they searched his house, they found the murder weapons hidden in his walls. This suburban family man had been Australia's most methodical serial killer, hiding in plain sight while systematically murdering anyone who trusted him for a ride into the forest.